Bulk versus cut. A potentially life-changing fork in the road we face as non-fitness YouTubers and athletes. The question is, does it really matter? In this video, we're going to explore three things: bulking versus cutting, the benefits, the deadly cycle, and how to avoid it, the ultimate problem, and of course, bulk versus cut. Which one should you do first and why? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony. Before we get into this video, if you're tired of seeing ab workouts, diet plans, or meal prep videos, but you want to build a lean, aesthetic, six-pack body, one you can actually keep, then consider subscribing. Let's get into this. Whenever we hear the term bulking, we tend to think building mass and building muscle. But what is it really? It's a process of gaining muscle, which involves eating more calories than your body actually needs. Together with appropriate weight training, you can expect faster muscle and mass gain. And for most, fat is gained during this process. You spend more time in the gym performing more intense workouts. Plus, with more calories means more fuel, so you can expect to lift heavier and perhaps more. The ultimate goal and intention of individuals who want to bulk, they want to build faster muscle mass in a shorter period of time. As for increasing the calories you consume, there are supplements like mass gainers, making this process easier and more efficient. When bulking, bodybuilders eat up to 3,800 calories per day. At the end of the bulking phase is the cutting phase. This is also known as fat loss. To give you an idea, 2,400 when cutting versus 3,800 calories when bulking. During this phase, typically you do more cardio, speeding up the fat burning process, and the ultimate goal is to cut the fat, revealing the muscle gained during your bulk. Theoretically, you'll be eating less calories than your body actually needs, which makes it harder for you to build more muscle. Again, the goal of this phase is to maintain your muscle mass while cutting the fat. So the question is, should you bulk or cut first? And does it really matter? Most guys will bulk first, and this is dangerous. Here's why. Fitness YouTubers. These guys look good for a living. We try to mirror them. Eating more is easy for most. It's the same with taking mass-gaining supplements. As a result, we gain weight and mass. For most of us, it's hard to cut, but during this process of bulking, we get used to eating more. The result is a deadly cycle. Rather than cutting, we continue to bulk. If anything, it's unintentional. And it's human nature for us to want to do what's easy first. But when we start this bulk, in reality, we can't stop eating. So the ultimate question for ourselves is, do we want to be another statistic to obesity? If you've ever invested in stocks, looking at this curve, you can safely assume that it's gonna go up. I mean, look at our dads, for example. There's no saving them, and it's a massive problem. New hospitals are being built, more health professionals being churned out, doctors, nurses, physios. When will this end? When are we ever going to actually build the right habits to get the results that we want? How do we simply get ourselves to do the daily work, the discipline to do what's hard? Most want to live it up today, blow their money, make it again, and repeat. I believe in finding balance in every part of our lives: money, relationships, work. And if we never find balance in our own lives, we're simply waiting to suffer. So now that you and I see the trend, we can begin to make a decision. Option number one, to bulk and then cut, means doing what's easy first. But if we truly value our health, body and mind, we must cut first. Trying to mimic fitness YouTubers, those who work out for a living, they don't have the typical stresses that we do on a daily basis. Financial, brain-numbing work, negative people. Chances are they're already good at this. They can drop toxic relationships like a bad habit, track their food intake, weigh every single grain of rice. They even have the time to work out for hours each day while we slave away. Balance is already existing inside of their lives, while for us, we struggle to find balance. Between us and them, we live very different lives. But that's no excuse. We should ask ourselves, is this truly sustainable? Think long term. Can we work out and eat like this for the rest of our lives? Do we want long or short term gains? And ultimately, what is our vision? In other words, why do we want to be healthy, happy, and strong? For me, I want to live as long as possible, to make the most of this life, to run around with my great grandkids when I'm 100. I know that staying lean and building muscle is a must. As an ex-personal trainer, it's why I recommend cutting first. Because during this process, you're going to discover more about yourself than you ever have. You get to understand what makes you tick, overcoming your downfalls, and through this process, you begin to build a strong foundation, one that transforms your body and actually keep it. Most guys will bulk first, but never cut, or at least fail to do so successfully. Because you're watching this, I know that you want to be different. I know that you don't want to fall into a rut like 9 out of 10 men do. Most men want to do what's easy first, but you and I, we must do what's hard first. Cut first, then bulk, and then the rest will come easy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is the best advice that I can give to you right now from my personal experience. I've been able to keep my six-pack for the past 10 years. If you want to check it out, make sure you click here. Plus, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. It's the only way I'm gonna know to make more videos like this one. If you have any ideas for me to make for my next video, please comment them down below. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Anthony. I'll see you next time.